I'm in my third year, and I can't believe I'm in my third year. I've just finished my second placement, my last placement before elective, and it's just an amazing feeling. I finished work yesterday and I felt emotional, I felt sad. I thought, this is it, assignments are due, exams are up, and it's my elective placement. And in March, the end of March, beginning of April, we'll have interview techniques and, recruitment and selection, sessions. So it's lots of emotions.
I know that when I qualify, I will look back on these years and go, yes, I survived. I made it through. It's really be achievement in itself just to qualify, because I have found it difficult, but not unbearable. Obviously I'm still on the course. I feel I'm still on track. So despite the difficulties, I think I'm still going to pull through. I think it's good.
I'm proud of the fact that I actually decided to give it a go and actually apply and get on the course and do it. I think it would have always been one of those nagging, I wish I'd given it a try. So many people have been supportive. My family have been supportive, but the university have been supportive, and I've met some fantastic people already. So I'm really proud of that. And probably the nicest thing that's happened so far is having met families antenatally and sort of felt that little bump and seen what's going on, to then go on after they've had the baby and see the baby and see how they're adjusting has been absolutely lovely.
The whole clinical world has been a great eye-opener for me. I think my previous experience had allowed me to look in to little bits of it, but I hadn't seen and felt how it really feels to work under the pressures of modern health services, and that's been fantastic, and I wouldn't lose that for anything.
Well, the rewards I'm getting out of it is when I go on placement and you can actually help people, be it from taking them to the toilet, helping them to feed them, giving them a better standard of care. It's brilliant. I enjoy it.
Once you're actually qualified, you're out there and it's you. You'll still have colleagues, but you also might be in a position where you've got, first-year students and you're trying to teach them. So it's perhaps a bit scary. It's also, I've beginning to think, it's quite exciting. This is what I've been building up to. This is what I've done all this study and all these essays and lectures and things for, and I've stayed the course. I'm nearly there. And it's quite exciting to think that I have achieved that. I will end up on a register. I'm qualified to nurse, whether it be in a hospital or a GP or, out in industry somewhere. And I think that's quite an achievement. And it's something I'm going to be really proud of when I get there.
Because of, obviously the practical placements, and you have to talk to all the people and all the other nurses, all the other physios, the OTs, it makes you, I think it's made me grow up a lot. And I think it kind of just makes you more, ready for your actual career and ready for working and ready, and you can talk to anyone. That's what I've found, is that I'm not shy at all anymore, and I will go into a room and I'll have a conversation with anyone, and I think that's because of the course I've done.
Of course I'm proud. It's lots of people say to me, I don't know how you've done that, or I don't know how you could do it, at this stage in your life. And it's just a progression. I made the decision 5 years ago, that's what I was going to do. And this is where I am now, and it's happened, and I've learnt lots of stuff, and it's been really, really exciting. I've really loved it.
This is going to sound really cheesy, but I really do feel that I'm a better person for starting this course. As I was saying, my first placement, I feel that my first placement was a defining placement for me. It's taught me to be more respectful, to be more humble, and not only that, I feel that I'm helping others by talking about my experience, even within my peer group. Not only that, I'm in the academic work. I was so proud after my first year. I got an A for one of my assignments, and that was just amazing. It is very, very life affirming, shall we say.
I'm going to feel very proud of myself, and I'm sure my family will as well, that I've got through the 3 years. And obviously I've worked hard to come this far and finish, and I think I'll just be glad to be qualified and do what I wanted to do, which my tutor told me at my A-levels was to care for people and look after them. So I'll be happy to be doing that at the end of this.
I've experienced a lot to get through this stage. I think I've gone through many highs and many lows, and but to be honest with you, I'm happy that I've gone through it, and I'm happy that I'm still here because I'm in my second year. So I've just got a year to go and I can't wait.